Notebook LM plus Gemini 3.1 Pro is insane. Today I'm going to show you a workflow that Google just made possible and nobody is talking about it. You can go from zero research to a full landing page in minutes, no design tools, no developer, no copy paste nightmare, just two free tools working together like magic. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now. So here's what just happened. Google updated Gemini to 3.1 Pro, and this isn't some small update. This thing can now take in massive amounts of context, entire notebooks, entire research collections, long documents, and it doesn't just summarize them, it actually reasons with them, it thinks about them. That alone is a big deal. But the real magic happens when you pair it with Notebook LM, because now you've got a research brain that feeds directly into a builder brain, and that changes everything. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let me walk you through exactly how this works, step by step, no fluff. Step 1, you open Notebook LM and you click on Discover. This is where Notebook LM goes out and finds sources for you automatically. So let's say you're building out content for something like the AI Profit Boardroom. You type something like this: fetch the best and most relevant resources on AI automation for business growth. Include official documentation, recent updates, practical guides, real-world use cases of AI automation helping businesses scale. That's it, one prompt. And Notebook LM goes and pulls everything for you. All the sources, all cited, all grounded in real data. You didn't open Google, you didn't open 20 tabs, you didn't spend 2 hours going down rabbit holes. Notebook LM did all the heavy lifting, and everything it gives you is backed by actual sources, not made up, not hallucinated, cited and grounded. That alone saves you hours of work every single time you sit down to create something. But here's where most people stop. They get the research and they just stare at it. Don't do that, because step 2 is where it gets good. Step 2, you refine everything. You're still inside Notebook LM, and now you tell it to clean up all that research. You say something like this: using the discovered resources, remove the fluff, extract only what matters, organize it into clear sections about how AI automation helps businesses get more leads and customers. Highlight insights most people would miss, make it ready to use for building a landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. And just like that, all that messy, raw research turns into clean, structured, usable information. Think about what just happened. You went from a pile of random sources to organized intelligence in 2 prompts. 2 prompts, no note taking, no highlighting, no sorting through pages of content yourself. Notebook LM took the chaos and gave you clarity, and now you've got something you can actually build with. This is where 90% of people quit. You don't. Now here comes the part that blew my mind. Step 3, you click one button inside Notebook LM that says Open in Gemini. You select Gemini 3.1 Pro, and your entire notebook transfers automatically. All of that research, all of that refined content, it moves straight into Gemini with one click. No uploading files, no copying and pasting walls of text, no losing context between tools. The whole research brain just moved into Gemini, and Gemini 3.1 Pro now has every single piece of that context loaded up and ready to build with. This is the moment where it stops being a research tool and starts being a builder tool. And nobody had to do anything manual to make that happen. One click, that's it. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with Notebook LM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. And if you want to rank #1 and get more customers, join the SEO Elite Circle. That's where we actually teach you how this works. No theory, no recycled tips, just the exact AI SEO systems we're using right now. We break everything down step by step with real workflows, weekly live support, and clear actions you can follow without guessing. If you're serious about scaling with SEO and AI, this is where you start. Hit the link in the description and join the SEO Elite Circle today. Now, step 4. This is where Gemini 3.1 Pro becomes a visual builder. You tell it something like this: using the notebook context, create a modern high-end SVG hero section for the AI Profit Boardroom landing page. Make it clean and minimal. Startup style. Use abstract AI and automation visuals, smooth gradients, scalable SVG only. Make it look like it belongs on a premium SaaS landing page that sells the value of AI automation for business owners. and it just builds it right there. No Figma, no Canva, no design tools at all. Gemini takes all that research context you loaded in and creates a custom SVG hero section that looks like a design agency made it. And it does it in seconds, not hours, not days, seconds, because it's not guessing what your brand is about. It already knows. It has the full context from your notebook. That's why the output is so much better than just asking a random AI to make something from scratch. Now you're probably thinking, okay, that's cool, but what about a full page? And that's exactly where step 5 comes in. Step 5, you tell Gemini to build the whole landing page. You say something like this: using the notebook research and the SVG hero section you just made, create a complete landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. Include the hero section, a clear value proposition about how AI automation helps business owners save time and scale faster, how it works. Section with 3 simple steps: use cases showing real ways AI automation grows a business, social proof placeholders, and a strong call to action section that drives people to join the AI Profit Boardroom community. Make it modern, clean, high conversion, tech forward. Output it as HTML and CSS with clear section comments. And Gemini builds the entire thing, a full landing page with structure, with design, with copy that actually makes sense because it's pulling from all that research you fed it earlier. This isn't random AI slop. This is a real product page built from real research in minutes. You didn't open a single design tool. You didn't hire a developer. You didn't spend weeks going back and forth. You went from having nothing to having a complete landing page ready to go live. Step 6, you ship it. That's it. The page is built. The copy is done. The design is done. You put it live. Here's the framework I want you to remember. Discover. That's Notebook LM finding your sources. Refine. That's Notebook LM cleaning them up. Import. That's moving everything into a Gemini 3.1 Pro. Design. That's Gemini building your visuals. Build. That's Gemini creating your full landing page. Ship. That's you putting it live. 6 steps, research the product in minutes. Now, think about what this means for you. If you're running a business, if you're building a brand, if you're trying to grow something like the AI Profit Boardroom, this workflow just cut weeks of work down to one sitting. You don't need a designer for your first draft. You don't need a developer for your layout. You don't need to spend days doing research. Notebook LM handles the research. Gemini 3.1 Pro handles the building. You handle the strategy. And that's the shift. This isn't just a cool AI trick. This is a new way of working, and if you're not using it, you're already behind.